Hi guys, recently I made these Huevos Rancheros for a really nice lunch and they were so delicious and messy. They're basically eggs poached in a spicy Mexican tomato sauce, then spooned into a flour tortilla with lettuce, avocado, cheese and extra Tabasco to taste. I started off with one of these long pasilla chilies. These don't really have much heat but give a lovely smoky flavour. So just tear off the top and try to remove as many of the seeds as possible. Then tear the chili into 2 or 3 pieces, add it to a bowl and cover it with some boiling water. Not too much though because you don't want to lose any of the flavour. Then set it aside to allow it to rehydrate for about 15 minutes. Then I took a fresh red chili for a bit more heat, but I don't like too much so I did de-seed it, but you can leave the seeds in if you like it fiery. Then I just sliced it up thinly. You don't have to be too careful here. Then I peeled 5 cloves of garlic and thinly sliced them. You could grate these if you want or crush them with a garlic crusher, but today I wasn't really in the mood for any extra washing up. Now add the chili and garlic to a plate, but keep them together because they'll be added to the pan at the same time. Then I took a small onion, peeled it, and just chopped it up roughly. I didn't bother dicing it because I was too hungry for any of that. Then set that aside too while you chop your pepper. I'm using a green one today because I couldn't find any red ones, but I do prefer red or yellow or orange ones. Once that's done, add it to the plate with the rest of the veg. Then I took some chorizo and cut off about 100 grams worth of it, and then I diced it up. By now the pasilla should have rehydrated, so just take it out and chop it up as well. Nothing too fine here, you can leave it coarse. Now place a medium-sized frying pan over a high heat. And make sure you have a kind of a tight-fitting lid that'll allow everything to steam later. So add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil to the pan. I'm using rapeseed oil here. And once it's nice and hot, add in your onions. Stir fry them over a high heat and a few minutes later add the chorizo. Stir fry again for just about 2 minutes before you add the garlic and red chili. Stir those through before you add the pasilla. Stir that in and add the green pepper and stir fry everything together for about 3 minutes. Before going in with a tin of chopped tomatoes, preferably Italian. Stir all that together and cook for a couple of minutes before you taste to check for seasoning. Here I added a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of sweet syrupy aged balsamic vinegar. Then I tried to make a little well in one side of the frying pan and cracked an egg into it. I quickly did the same thing on the other side of the pan. Then I clamped the lid on, turned the heat down to low and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Just until the whites had set but the yolks were still a little runny. Then I took it off the heat and served at the table. Then I scattered over some fresh coriander and some coarsely grated manchego cheese, but you could use sharp cheddar or even feta if you prefer. So build up your wrap with flour or corn tortilla, add some fresh lettuce for crunch, a few scoops of avocado, spoon over one of the eggs and a nice bit of the sauce as well. Add some more cheese if you like and pass around a bottle of Tabasco so people can just add their own. Now roll everything up as best you can and then just dive right in and enjoy. Thanks a million for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons below. You can check me out on social media if you like, you'll find all the links to my accounts in the description below, as well as the link to my blog where you'll find this full recipe at www.rookiecook.org.